Alright, sorry about the noise in the background. Just thought this was interesting to post. My battery's been dying. Supposedly it's a non-refillable battery. You're not supposed to be able to fill it back up. It has these plugs on it. So if you go get some distilled water and fill it up and get a jump, it should start right back up. And if you can see how low that actually is, it's decently low. I don't want to ask somebody for a jump because these worker guys are out here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to jump it off of my drill battery. So I'll come back and show you what happens. And this is a 2015 Lancer, by the way.